Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopify app something went wrong error. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, for you to fix this issue, what you need to do is we need to look for the app itself on your mobile phone. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have the latest version of the app itself. In this case, go ahead, open up Google Play Store here, search for Shopify, and from here, look for the Shopify app here. And if you see the update button there, go ahead and click on update. And from here on, just wait for the update to complete. And once the update is complete, you go ahead and open up the Shopify app and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, what you need to do is you need to clear your cache. Now, look for the app itself, press and hold on it. From here, choose app info. Now, from here, choose the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. From here, click on clear cache, click on OK. And from here, restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.